Hello fellow digital artists, I am Chance Peter and today I'm going to guide you through the process of importing a photo into Adobe Illustrator. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this step-by-step tutorial will help you integrate photos seamlessly into your Illustrator projects. So launch Adobe Illustrator from your applications or start menu. Create a new document by going to File or using the shortcut Ctrl-N for Windows and Command-N for Mac. Choose your preferred document settings and click Create. The next step is to prepare your workspace. Having a well-organized workspace can make the importing process smoother. Ensure that you have the layers, properties, and links panels visible. You can do this by going to Window and selecting. You can see for properties is here, layers is here. If at all you cannot find them on this tools panel here, like we have the layers here, and if you don't see properties here, you can come to Windows and you find it down here. Now that your workspace is set up, it's time to import the photo. Go to File and click on Place. This action will open a dialog box where you can browse your computer for the photo you want to import. Locate the photo on your computer, click on it to select it, and click Place. Once the photo is in your document, click to place it like this. You can drag to define the position and size of the photo on your artboard. You have two options for handling your photo in Illustrator, and they are embedding and linking. Embedding includes the photo directly in your Illustrator file. Click on the photo to select it. Then go to the Properties panel and click Embed like this. This ensures that the photo is stored within the Illustrator file, making it easier to share. And the second way is by linking. Linking keeps the photo as a separate file, reducing your Illustrator file size. To link, place the photo without embedding. Be aware that moving or deleting the photo can break the link. After importing the photo, you might need to make adjustments to fit your design. Click on the photo to select it. Use the handles on the bounding box to resize the photo proportionately by holding down Shift key while dragging. Move the photo by clicking and dragging it to your desired location on the artboard like this. To crop, click on the photo like this and you'll see the crop feature on top here. You can click on it and then now you can adjust how you want to crop this one like this by dragging the ends of this photo like this. You can either go inside like this and then you can click on apply. Ensure your photo fits perfectly within your design. Organize your photo within the layers panel. Rename the layer for easy identification. Double click on the layer and write a reference photo. Press enter. Don't forget to save your progress. Go to File and click on Save, or use Ctrl-S for Windows or Command-S for Mac. Choose the file format, AI for working files, and click Save. So importing a photo into Adobe Illustrator is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance your designs. By following these steps, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate photos into your Illustrator projects, whether for print, web, or digital art. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you with your projects. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.